Hello students, welcome back to KV Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramas Ismaria, your physics teacher. In previous video, we discussed about the derivation of the second equation of motion. In this video, we are going to discuss the derivation of third equation of motion, v square minus u square is equal to 2as, where v is the final velocity, u initial velocity, a is the acceleration and s is the total distance covered. For this, here a velocity time graph is given for a body which is under uniform acceleration. You can see here the slope is a straight line, so this is under uniform acceleration. Here initial velocity is u, means the body is moving with a constant speed u. After some time, in t second, its final velocity becomes v. So let initial velocity here OA is equal to u. Final velocity will be this one, BC, and this is V. You can see here V, and acceleration A time t and total distance covered. It is yes. Now we will derive the equation. So derivation. As I have told you earlier, that the total distance covered is the area bounded by this figure. So here total distance is equal to, and this figure I have told you earlier that here two parallel sides and this pair is non-parallel, so it is trapezium. So total distance is equal to area of trapezium OABC. Total distance, it is yes, so here we can write yes. Area of trapezium, there is a formula for area of trapezium, 1/2 into sum of parallel sides into height, and height is the perpendicular distance between these two sides. So here we can write perpendicular distance between parallel sides. And this is height. So here we can write yes is equal to 1/2 sum of parallel sides. So parallel sides, here it is OA and here it is BC. So OA plus BC and height height will be this one, AD, or AD is equal to OC, so we can put OC also. So we can write here AD or OC, both is equal. So again, S is equal to 1/2 into OA plus BC into OC. Now here OA is equal to, let this is equation 1. So OA is equal to U, and this one BC is equal to V. OC is time, so OC is equal to T, and we know that V is equal to U plus AT. Since V is equal to U plus AT, so from here AT is equal to V minus U, or T is equal to V minus U upon A. So from equation 1, S is equal to 1/2 into, in place of OA it will be U, so U plus V, and this one BC is V, and after that in place of OC, and OC you can see here T, so 1/2 into this we can write B plus U into, in place of T it will be V minus U upon A. Now S is equal to 1/2 into this one B plus U, V minus U, as we know that A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus V square. So here also V plus U and V minus U, so it will be V square minus U square upon this one A. When we will do cross multiplication, it becomes 2AS is equal to this one V square minus U square, or V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. And this is the third equation of motion. So following these steps, you can derive the third equation of motion graphically. That's all. Thank you.